Tesla to bring quite big investment to Indonesia for battery materials. Tesla is looking to bring a quite big investment to Indonesia in order to build a battery factory in the country. According to the country's senior minister, Luhut Panjaitan, who posted on Instagram today talking about a meeting with CEO Elon Musk. In April 2022, Tesla met with Indonesian officials to discuss a potential deal for nickel, an important material that is used in electric vehicle EV batteries. Tesla and Musk hosted Panjaitan, as well as Indonesian ambassador to the United States Rosan Roslani. And Anindya Bakrai, the general chair of the Advisory Council of the Chamber of Commerce and Industry. It appears another meeting took place today, but this time in San Francisco. 1 year later, after meeting at Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas, I met Elon Musk again in San Francisco, United States. This meeting became the main agenda of my visit to Uncle Sam's country. For about 2.5 hours we discussed Indonesia's economic development, as well as the current condition of Tesla, Inc. Musk and Tesla detailed that a vehicle production facility does not seem to be in the cards for Indonesia, just a battery materials plant. However, some of the things Panjaitan said seem to indicate Tesla is suspending any investment currently. Reuters reported that Luhut said he wants to invest in the manufacturing of materials for lithium batteries and that the investment will be quite big. The minister said that Tesla turns out to be currently suspending investment in any country. There are two things that cause it, namely, overproduction and the current unfavorable global economic conditions. There are also plans to bring Starlink to eastern Indonesia. I convey that the benefits arising from Starlink operating in Indonesia are enormous. For example, health infrastructure such as internet access at health centers in remote areas can help health workers report health facility data in real time. In addition, education services will also be accessible to students in eastern Indonesia so that we can achieve equal and equitable access to education in Indonesia. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Teslarati.